Welcome to Math Beyond Borders. Mathematics Simplified. Hello geniuses. So in today's video, let's talk about adding and subtracting fractions. If you want to know what fractions are, I've done a different video for it. I will post a link right here. Now, as you can see on your screen, there are two types of fraction in this on the blackboard. There is this set of fraction where the denominators are different, and then there is this set of fraction where the denominators are the same, right? So first let's deal with the ones where the denominators are different, because where denominators are same, it's pretty simple, and I will show that to you towards the end. So let's look. Now the logic for adding and subtracting stays same, right? And in simple cases where if you're not able to find LCM, and if you know how to do the simplification, you can use this method. Now this is a very small and a very fancy method, but it's easy to remember. Now what this means is you multiply the bases, then you multiply the denominator from this end to the numerator on this end, and you multiply the denominator on this end to the numerator on this end, right? So it will be something like this, that you multiply these two, then you multiply this 3 with this 4, and you multiply this 5 with this 2, and you will have your answer. Shall we try it? Let's do it. So 3 times 5 will be 15. Okay, now I will multiply this 3 with this 4. So 3 times 4 will be 12, plus 5 times 2 will be 10. So my final answer will be 22 over 15. This is a foolproof method. Now in many cases you will have some way to simplify it. If you know how to simplify it, how to reduce it, great. Even if you don't and you leave it at this, you have a good answer. Okay, now let's look at the fractions where the denominators are same. Now the good news is when the denominators are same, just add them together. It's very simply. So you will write the common denominator here, and you will do 3 plus 2, which will be equal to 5 over 7. So now let's do a few more examples and let's see how it goes. So now, as you can see, we have 2 more examples here on our screen. We will follow the same process, which I have put as a key here, this process. So let's just first multiply the bases or the denominators. Yes, so 7 times 3 will be 21. Now this 7 will be multiplied with the 4, so 7 times 4 will be 28. The sign is of plus. Now 3 times 2 will be 6. So my final answer will be 34 over 21. If it can be simplified, although in this case it cannot be, you can do the simplification, or if you leave it at this, it's still fine. Okay, let's follow. Now why don't you pause the video and try it yourself. Just remember this key. Okay, I'm sure you all got the answer right, but let's do it together. So in this case, did you multiply 9 with 5? So 9 times 5 should have been a 45, right? And did you multiply 9 with 4? 9 times 4 would have been a 36, plus 5 times 6 would have been 30, right? And when you would add it, it would be 66 over 45. Do you all have the same answer? Great. Do you think that we can simplify it? Yes, both the numbers are divisible by 3. So my final answer will be, if I divide 66 by 3, it is 22, and 45 with a 3 is a 15. So if you all got any of these answers at the end, they are quite okay. Although this answer here is more desirable, but even if you have it, it's quite okay. It's a step forward, right? And remember, whether it is the sign in between only matters here. So if the sign here, if it would have been minus, I would just put a minus here and find the final answer. Everything else stays the same. Okay? Easy, right?
Thank you for learning with us. Please share the video with those who you think may need it. Also, if you want to request a topic, put that in the comments section. So until the next video, keep learning, keep questioning. Bye.